Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so today I've just been offered a job playing for a musical, and it's a musical I'm not familiar with, so it's not Oklahoma. Fiddler on the Roof. Fiddler where they're walking out of town, and it's not Annie, and I'm not going to play anything from that, but this is part 2 of this musical called Seussical, and it's a sight reading. I got the book earlier today, and I'm looking at part 2, the key of G, 1 sharp, everything else is going to be naturals, and there are a lot of accidentals here. Try this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're the key of E here. 4 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and straight mute 12. F, C, G, and D sharp. Part 3. There, and we're off to the next song. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.